If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Steam account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Security. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Click on your username in the top right corner, then select Account Details. Look for the Account Security section. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. In the Account Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on Manage Steam Guard or a similar link to access the settings. Step 4. Disable Steam Guard. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure that you receive a confirmation message. Check your account settings to verify that Steam Guard is now turned off. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Steam account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.